Hi, Prosperity Team. It's Dr. Money coming to you from the prosperity corner of the universe where silliness is sacred and nobody's perfect. I am your POP, your professor of prosperity, and I'm here so that all of our lives can pop with prosperity. I want to talk to you about the way the mind often processes our internal work, the stuff that we're doing, because there is a part of our mind that is not out for our best interest. It's maybe some people call this the egoic mind. There's a story about if you were on the top of the building and the ego says, jump, jump, jump. You know it, you're not worth living, jump. So you jump. And the ego says, now you've done it. So you can see from that story that there's a part of the mind that it doesn't matter which way we go, which way we turn, it will give us negative feedback. And one of the things that the mind often says, if we focus on prosperity or abundance, is that this is not spiritual enough. We should be doing better things with our time. This is not important. We're self-centered. And I look at it a different way. I look at doing my prosperity work or changing my mind or spending a certain amount of time picturing prosperity as no different than taking the garbage out. I would never say, oh, that's not spiritual. You shouldn't take the garbage out. I mean, what are you doing? Focusing on trash? No, we just take the garbage out because that's what it takes to maintain our lives. And so part of maintaining our lives, if you're on the prosperity page, then you probably have some need to maintain your financial well-being, your sense of pleasure and treasure in the world. And the way that we do that is to just do our homework. And it's just like taking out the trash. Even if we put that a little further, if the garbage man gets paid for picking up the trash and going to work, we wouldn't say, boy, that was really a bad thing to do, is to pick up trash and then get paid. Can you imagine? That is so unspiritual. No, we wouldn't think anything of it. But what we do is that when we do our work, and sometimes money results from that, we say, oh, that's not spiritual. I am just reminding you that doing the prosperity work, working with affirmations, if they work for you, everybody doesn't have to like affirmations. If you like them, they probably work for you and you know how to work them, because we have to know how to work affirmations as well as let them work for us. We have to have this intimate relationship and this energetic connection with affirmations, or they're really just clanging cymbals and clashing noises or something like that. And 1 Corinthians 13 talks about, if we love and it's not real love, then it's just this noisy cacophony of nothingness. So we want our affirmations to be intimate with our lives. We want them to feel good. We want them to be like poetry to our souls. We want to help them unlock things in us that are hidden away that need to be flushed out. But we don't want to do them like when I was a little, you had to write, I will not talk in class. I will not talk in class. I will not talk in class. Well, I guess that was an affirmation, but I don't know that it does anybody any good. So we have to know how to use our affirmations in the right way. And like I'm saying, affirmations may not be for everyone. They may not. I just happen to love them in the way that I use them myself. And I like to talk about that a lot in this particular page of Abundance Affirmations. So again, just remember that we can do our homework with innocence, because it's just part of maintaining our lives. Maintaining our minds, our attitudes, and our beliefs is part of life's maintenance. It's not anything, there's no moral judgment that should accompany that at all. So this is Dr. Money. Let's take a deep breath in. And as we exhale, we better receive though in the inhale. Let's inhale and receive. And we exhale. And as we exhale our intention that all other beings receive their good as well. And one more thing for sure, and that is that I love you.